Welcome to How to Pronounce. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So without further ado, let's dive into today's word,
みつ豆
which means a Japanese dessert made with ingredients such as agar jelly cubes, sweet azuki bean paste, fruit cocktail, and condensed milk. Let's say it all together.
みつ豆
One more time.
みつ豆
Now let's split the word into syllables and then pronounce each syllable one by one. MIT, Su, Ma, Me. Thank you for joining us on this adventure in pronunciation. Remember, language is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, experimenting, and expanding your linguistic horizons. We'll see you next time.